Did you know that most readers decide within 6 seconds whether they wish to continue reading any given document? Yet professionals persist in writing rambling emails and other business documents that fail to engage the reader and highlight the organization's and the writer's professionalism and expertise. We get it. Writers often assume that readers will read whatever they write and will devote the time and energy necessary to figure out what the writer's point is. But we know that nothing is further from the truth. In our customized business writing course, offered on-site, virtually, as a webinar, or online, your team will learn strategies to write business documents that are read and acted upon. Hi, my name is Pam Hurley, and I'm the owner and founder of Hurley Write Incorporated, a certified women-owned small business. Would love to chat with you about your needs for a business writing course. Email us at pam@hurleywrite.com or call us 877-249-7483. I look forward to chatting with you.